Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you 6 of the highest paying affiliate programs for 2023. What is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when a company pays you a commission to promote and send sales to their product or services. For example, you can see this person has created a YouTube video that they are promoting the best VPN for Chromebook. And in the description you can see that they have different links. Now these companies, for example, get ExpressVPN. Once someone taps on this link and goes on ExpressVPN and makes a purchase, the creator or the owner of this YouTube channel will get a small commission. So they don't have to worry about delivery or anything like that. All you'll need to do is simply promote the product. Once someone taps on your link and goes onto that particular product page, or for example, if you were promoting Amazon, if they were to go onto Amazon and purchase any item, you'll be able to get a commission. But with each affiliate program, there's a different commission rate, and some pay a little bit, meanwhile some pays a lot. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you 6 that tends to pay the highest amount. The first one that we'll be looking at is Semrush.com, and Semrush.com is one of the highest paying affiliate programs. As you can see right here, they offer a 120-day cookie period, and the cookie period stands for the amount of time that your cookie will last on a person's computer. And what do I mean by cookie? Well, let's say for example you were to post an affiliate link, someone were to click on an affiliate link that you have posted. For example, this same example right here. Let's say I were to click on this, but when I go onto the website, I don't make a purchase. So I wait, for example, a week or two, then I'll go back and say, wait, I want that product. So I'll go back onto the website and make the purchase now. With some affiliate programs, their cookie link tend to be like, for example, 7 days or less. So the person that recommended that program would not be able to get a commission. But when it comes on to Semrush, as you can see right here, you will get a 120 days cookie lifetime. So that means that even after 119 days, if the person should go back onto your link and make a purchase, you'll still be able to get a commission. And you can see that you'll be able to earn anywhere from $200 for every new subscription sale, or $10 for every new lead, and 1 cent for new signups. So either way, once someone taps on your Semrush link and does a purchase or signs up, you will be able to get paid. And in case you don't know what Semrush is, this is a tool that is used by numerous persons once they want to go into blogging or any form of internet marketing. It is one of the most popular softwares around. And you can see that you will also get a dedicated team, and to sign up is completely free. As with most affiliate programs, all you'll need is a platform, for example, a website or a YouTube channel, and then you'll be able to sign up. The second affiliate program that we will be recommending, or I'll be showing you in this tutorial, is SiteGround.com. And with SiteGround.com, you can see that you'll be able to get $50 per sale. So for example, if you were to get 1 to 5 sales per month, you'll be able to get $50, as you can see right here. And if you were to go up to 6 to 10 sales, you'll be able to get $75. And if you were to go up to 11 to 20 sales, you'll be able to get $100 per sale. And then if you were to go up to the big boy levels now, and then go up to 21 sales, you'll be able to get a custom commission. And SiteGround is a hosting platform, and again you will realize a theme with majority of these affiliate programs that are on this list, that majority of them has to do with WordPress or overall blogging, as blogging tends to be a high paying area. So you can see right here, all you'll need to do is simply promote hosting. After I've finished showing you the 6 highest paying affiliate programs, I will also show you persons, how they are promoting it, so that you can get an idea of how you can start doing some affiliate marketing. The next website or affiliate program that we'll be looking on is LiquidWeb.com. And LiquidWeb again is another hosting platform. And with LiquidWeb, once more, it is completely free to sign up. And you can see that you'll be able to earn up to $150 per sale, as you can see here. And if you were to refer a friend, you'll be able to get $100 for each referral on hosting plans. And as I said earlier, this is another hosting platform, just like the one previously, SiteGround. And you can also see that they offer a 90-day cookie period, so that is 3 months. So even if someone were to tap on your link and not make a purchase same time, they have up to 3 months to make a purchase and you'll still be able to get a commission. And you can see the product right here, you'll be able to earn 150% of sales with a $150 minimum. So you can see Manage WordPress, the minimum amount that you'll be able to make is $150 and it can go up to $2,000. And if they were to use Manage WooCommerce, you can make up to $3,000. And with VPS hosting, it would be $300. And if they choose a dedicated hosting, you will be able to make up to $7,000. So you can see that this affiliate program does pay a lot. And the other one on the list is none other than Bluehost. If you have ever done any research on high-paying affiliate program, I'm sure that you have come across Bluehost recommendation. And the reason why Bluehost is so popular is not only is it a good hosting platform, but also they pay their affiliates really good. As you can see, you'll be able to get $65 for each qualified sign up or referral. And with Bluehost, the reason why it is also so popular is their website hosting platform or their website hosting package that they offer allows you to host more than one websites. So that is why a lot of persons find it very helpful, as I do consider Bluehost a budget-friendly hosting platform. And the other one that we'll be looking at is HostGator.com. And again, HostGator is another hosting platform. And with HostGator, you'll be able to earn at least 60% from every sale. And you can see right here by scrolling down, you can read more about their affiliate program. And it is similar to Bluehost. All it has to do again is with website hosting. And the other one on the list also has to do with website hosting, and it is also just as popular as HostGator and also Bluehost. It is none other than HostGator, and this is the platform that I use to personally host my websites, as again this is another budget-friendly idea, and they do tend to pay their affiliates really good. And depending on the amount of sales or referrals that you get, your affiliate commission will increase, so you'll be able to make even more money. So this is another good one that you can use. And if none of these are in your particular niche, what I would recommend you do is go onto this blog post that I found recently. I will be leaving a link in the description, as this blog post lists out 50 different high-paying commission. As you can see right here, 50 of the highest paying affiliate programs. As this is just a small snippet, you can see right there. So whether you're in the niche of the travel niche or whichever niche that you're in, they will list out some different affiliate programs that you can give a look. As you can see, the best travel affiliate programs. And if I were to scroll down, you can see the different commissions, as you have some that pay out up to $500 minimum, as you can see right here. So whichever niche you're in, I'm sure with this blog post, you'll be able to find affiliate programs that you can use. And there are two ways that I would recommend that you advertise or promote affiliate programs. The first option is none other than an affiliate YouTube channel is Panda Tech. This channel means a perfect example of an affiliate YouTube channel is Panda Tech. As you can see with this channel, they mainly create videos on VPNs. So you can see the best VPN for Chromebook, and you can see it goes on and on. And you can see that they're also getting a lot of views consistently. And with each video, they add more than one link. So once someone goes onto the video, likes the video, and want to get a VPN, they will simply click on the link right here. Once you click on the link and you go onto, for example, ExpressVPN, and you make a purchase, the owner of this YouTube channel will get a commission. Another YouTube channel that is also a good example of how you can do affiliate marketing is Consumer Body. As you can see with this YouTube channel, they tend to promote or talk about numerous niches. So for example, best dog foods for Labradors, and you can also see the benefits of payment processors for small businesses, and they talk about numerous other features or better yet products, and they always add an affiliate link. And the beautiful thing about doing affiliate marketing on YouTube is not only will you be able to get a commission for the products that you promote once you get a sale, but you will also be able to get paid by YouTube once you go over 1,000 subscribers and also pass the watch time threshold. You'll be able to earn money via ads. And if you don't want to do YouTube and instead would like to do blogging, you can do that. As for example, all you would need to do is simply go onto Google or whichever search engine you use, and you could type in best hosting for WordPress. After typing in best hosting for WordPress or the best whatever niche you're in, you can scroll down and you will see numerous websites, and you can simply click on any one of these websites and you'll be able to see how they format their blog posts, and you can get ideas from it and you can create similar blogs. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was able to help you. If it did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.